So just gonna open up our panels here. System is off from the thermostat inside. Okay, so we have our blower motor, blower wheel, right? This everything here is for heating. So we have our inducer motor, gas valve, burner box, circuit boards, contactor, transformer, thermostat wire, all that good stuff. Then up here we have our fan motor, outside fan motor. So here we're going to check our temperature difference. Put our probe right there, turn it on, and of course cover this panel. So once I have all my readings done, I like to create some notes here that kind of highlight what our ratings are supposed to be at or under, just so I can show the homeowner a little bit better about their system, highlight the things I need to, once again to make it easier for them to really understand, and just walk them through it. And yeah.